Hello everyone and welcome back to the Military One channel. Airmen of the 5th Bomb Wing participate in the Prairie Vigilance exercise, September 15th to 23rd, 2022. The exercise is designed to test the wing's ability to carry out strategic bomber readiness operations. PV is a way to show the strength and capabilities of Air Force Global Strike. It is also an exercise to ensure airmen are ready to carry out these vital missions. Aircraft maintainers, security forces, and crew are put to the test in their response efforts in support of defeating strategic attacks against the United States and its allies. In this exercise, the role of the 5th Operations Group is to provide an air crew that is trained and always ready to respond to any security threats. This exercise not only demonstrated the wing's ability to stand guard in case of an attack, but also projected death around the world.